NASA should have looked twice before posting these images of the Apollo moon missions. Do you still don't believe we've actually managed to land a man on the moon? To put an end to the worldwide conspiracy, apparently it's still there, NASA made history as they released thousands of images of the Apollo moon missions that took place between 1961 and 1972. This otherworldly collection includes over 13,000 breathtaking images taken by the various astronauts that made it to the moon during the moon exploration era. For decades, numerous authors, ufologists and researchers have claimed that there are countless mysteries about the moon. For years, many authors claim that there are things on the moon which NASA does not want to disclose. In fact, previous studies of the moon have shown there are numerous remarkable and questionable features on the surface of the moon, which have led ufologists around the globe to question the true purpose of Earth's faithful natural companion. So, what's so odd about the moon? It is well known that there are some lunar rocks that have been found to contain 10 times more titanium than titanium-rich rocks on planet Earth. Here on Earth, we use titanium in supersonic jets, deep-diving submarines, and spacecraft. It's unexplainable why the moon contains that much titanium-rich rocks. Harold Urey, Nobel Prize winner for chemistry, said he was terribly puzzled by the rocks astronauts found on the moon and their titanium content. The samples were unimaginable and mind-blowing since researchers could not account for the presence of titanium. Now, ufologists claim that in addition to the numerous odd features that have been found by experts in the past, the newly published images by NASA only add fuel to the unexplainable discoveries on the moon. Robin Brett, a scientist from NASA, stated, "It seems easier to explain the non-existence of the moon than its existence." In the 1970s, Mikhail Vasin and Alexander Shvakov from the Soviet Academy of Science wrote an article called, "Is the Moon the Creation of Alien Intelligence?" It was a very interesting article that asked some important questions. How is it possible that the surface of the moon is so hard, and why does it contain minerals like titanium? Mysteriously, there are some lunar rocks that have been found to contain processed metals such as brass, the elements of uranium-236 and neptunium-237 that have never been found to occur naturally. Here, we take a look at some of the most incredible images and the dozens of UFOs seen in the images. A certainly interesting feature seen in the above image, and wow, the heck is the mysterious line seen in the middle of the photographs. Is it just a processing error? Or is it possible that astronauts actually capture a UFO flying across the surface of the moon? The above image shows an alarmingly large object seen near the surface of the moon. The question is, what is it? Is this another error present in the images? Or did NASA's astronauts snap another image of a UFO while they were exploring the moon? Then, of course, we have these anomalous features in another image from the moon. If these are just stars as some suggest, then what are the mysterious streaks located below them? This is certainly another image worth investigating. That's another extremely interesting image from the moon. What is the strange bluish UFO doing there? This mysterious blue UFO is actually present in numerous other images from the moon. There it is again. The blue UFO was spotted a dozen of times by NASA astronauts. There it is again. Notice there is a smaller bluish UFO located just above the astronaut, to the right. It's barely visible, though.